In this video, we're going to take a look at some Stylize filters. Now, these are just some random different filters that Photoshop has put together in the Stylize folder for you, and we'll take a look at some of them. So go up to Filter, click on Stylize, and then you see we have a diffuse, an emboss, extrude, fine edges, oil paint, solarize, tiles, trace contour, and wind. So if you just take a look at, say, the emboss, this is one Stylize type filter that you can use where it looks like you're embossing this actual photograph here, and you can change the amount and see the preview and so forth. But then if we go down, we go to Stylize, you can see if we go to oil paint, it's just a different type of filter that's being used. So it's not an emboss, but it has this cool oil paint look to it. So if we hit OK, it'll change that out. And so if we undo that and redo it, you can see this really cool feature that it gives. And then we can go down to Stylize, and there's some more. You can click through all of these, extruding, fine edges, solarize, tiles, trace contour, and wind. If we do trace contour, you can see what it does here. It allows you to select in a color tone these different types of styles. So then if we go back to Stylize, you can see that there are some other options, such as, finding edges, solarize, trace contour. We'll click on wind, and wind will actually make it look like it's has some wind pushing the pixels in the image. So we'll just do light wind from right to left, and you can see how it's kind of pushed everything, some of the pixels over. So Stylize is just some other options for you to come in here and definitely stylize the way your photograph or your image looks. Again, check out Photoshop's website. They will talk about all of these different ones, and you'll see a lot of these in the filter gallery. So it's easier to look at some of these through the filter gallery because you might not know what an emboss or an extrude does, but in the filter gallery you can actually see those. But that's the Stylize filters, nice and easy.